the uncomfortable truth about every agile method. And it's not that business analysts are bad or business analysts are good or requirements documents are bad. It has nothing to do with that. It has to do with the way human beings learn, the way we acquire knowledge. And what happened in the project management movement, there's a whole book about it, Adrenaline Junkies and Template Zombies. Because even in the project management movement, when they started creating templates, it was never go fill out this template and skip talking to each other. The template was a cheat sheet. It was a reminder to have the conversation. So as human beings, we chose to numb out, dumb out, and skip the conversation and have somebody else record everything through their own filter. And then we hand off those documents. And I ask people, who's been lost following directions exactly? You ever botched a recipe that you know you followed to the letter? Oh, so can we misinterpret the written word? Daily.